Alright, so let's just make sure we have the right gap. Medyo na-kuryente ulit ako ng konti. But yeah, a lot of mechanical stuff to fix. Anong wagon yun? Accord wagon. That's an Accord? An accordion. Nice normal car. Or... Where? Bye, Slowy. Bye-bye, little boy. Pagpapalit na kita. I'm just talking, and if you're still watching, what the frick are you doing with your life? Guys, fun fact, pag nakagarahe yung kotse dito, so yung Lancer tsaka Iki, ibig sabihin hindi sila umaandar ng maayos. So sa lahat ng sasabi, bakit hindi mo pa inaayos yung Iki mo? Ba't ang tagal-tagal na yung sira? Meron pa nga isa nag-comment, bakit? Mahirap ba ayusin yung Evic? Mahirap ba ayusin yung Civic? No, actually hindi siya mahirap ayusin. So tayo, yung style natin, we just collect all the problems para isang gawaan, isang bagsakan lang. So, pinahaba lang natin job order para isang deposit lang sa shop. Para hindi tayo mabalik-balik. To the YouTube people, it's gonna be the first time na I'm gonna demo how to start this car. Pero sa Reels, parati ito ginagawa. So, first time ko mapakita sa YouTube how to do it. So, by the way, naka-ignition na siya. That's why our fan is on. Yes, naka-recta fan tayo. Sige, lagay natin sa job order yan. But, yeah. So, basically, i-connect lang natin itong dalawa and then magsa-start na siya with this. Alright, so let's just make sure we have the right gap. And it's a little hard to do because I'm a lefty. Medyo na-kuryente ulit ako ng konti. So yeah, wala nang patayan to. Kailangan dire-diretso na tayo. Kasi kung hindi, we have to do this again. And it's raining, so makukuryente ulit ako. So yes guys, I'm the god of thunder. I am Thor! Joke lang. But yeah, I've been starting it like that. And hopefully, this is the last time. Unless magpapagas tayo at kailangan ulit natin ito gawin sa trip na to. So, but hopefully, this is the last time. Oh my God! I wanted to pretend na ako yung nagre-reverse pero hindi. So kasama na si Arsen at si Albert. Samahan nila ako pick upin yung car. So yan. Magpapagyan ko ba ako mag-reverse? By the way guys, sobrang ingay ng wiper namin na nilagyan muna namin ng spacer na microfiber. Kasi kung hindi, super ingay yan. Like hindi mo kaya yung ingay while driving. So ayan. Also, that's the passenger side wiper. Nabali namin yung driver side wiper. So, yes. Part of the things to fix. So, let's go! If you know the reason bakit namumuti yung tint, ayan, as in, walang makita. I don't know why. Would anyone know why? The rear, actually, namuti din yung rear. So, if you guys know, let me know in the comments why this happens. Okay guys, we're in NLEX now. So we're almost at the shop. So sa shop ko na ikukwento yung buong job order. Medyo nililista ko pa siya sa phone ko ngayon. But medyo mahaba nga siya. So we really have our work cut out for us. I'm excited to get this running! Sana may load pa tayo. Ay wow, yabang. Okay dokes, we're here! Let's go! Guys, kung wala akong masabi.
That's going in the video. Guys, sure lang masabi. Basta pumapasok tayo.
Wala akong kilalang kotse dito. EG to nakabaliktad, di ba?
Yata.
Oo, itong half cut. Or what's left of it. Ayan. Alright. We're here. We're leaving the car. Alright, we're here at the shop. We're just taking some pictures. Ayan si Slowy. Two things to fix. Ayan ang ating bumper. Look at our bigote. It's so sad. Our rear bumper is also starting to fall off. Our wiper is nag-iisa na lang. Tapos sa passenger side pa yun kasi nabali yung driver side. Kasi super ingay niya. Yung spring tumatama doon, so it makes a really annoying screeching sound. Screeching sound. Ayun, they're taking my picture. This is going on IG. But yeah, a lot of mechanical stuff to fix. By the way guys, si Editor San nag-upgrade pala ng camera. So, ayan, we're gonna be checking the outputs. Ayan, we got this in GH. Oh no.
Hindi pa marunong.
Sorry. Guys, so medyo experimental tong vlog na to kasi yun nga, new cam, new setup. Actually, pati itong handheld ko, shake. New setup.
Hindi pala 4K yun. So, yung iba 1080 Pero,
Ano ba yan?
may 1080, may overexposed.
Oh my God. I feel like this is the vlog where we try to fix our lives. Okay, so here's our job order. And I'm just gonna read it. So we have to fix the driver's side carpet kasi basa siya. Driver's side window, hindi umaakyat. Cross member bolt, nasa center storage yung bolt na laglag. Driver's side wiper, sira. Nakakabit passenger side wiper. Driver's side wiper, tumatama sa glass, maingay. Tumatama yung spring. Starter, power steering leak, engine oil leak sa taas. Pag nakapatay aircon, nag-hunt yung idle. So those are some of the things we have to fix. Medyo mahaba-haba. See? Nag-iipon lang tayo ng job order. Ayan, now it's a freaking list. Sulit na siya iwan, diba? Guys, ito pa rin pala yung nung binangga tayo ng movie ito. Ayan, ito yung helmet ni Kuya. Pinaalala pa pala ako. So, itong bazooka exhaust natin, papalitan natin to. So, we got a new one for the EG. So, yung pinaglumaan ng EG, lalagay natin dito. So, pag nagka-EG update episode na at nakuha na yung exhaust na yun, ayan, mapapalitan din pala to. Whoops, I forgot. Nakita natin yung old project car ni Arshen. So this used to be a B20 VTEC. We got his VTEC head that's on our EG. Now it's a SOC. Parang may goals in life na siya ngayon. Oh my God, even the interior stock. Tingnan mo, ang linis. Oh, you know it's Arshen kasi may Uma Muso, may sticker. Oh my God, may cat. Hi, cat. Oh, is this Boots? Hi, Boots. Oh my God, it's Boots. Yeah, it's Boots. Hi, Boots. Hi. Oh, what do you think? How do you feel about your old car?
Rusting again.
It's rusting again. Show us your new car. Kasi people have forgotten. Okay. So basically, hindi na naka-Honda si Arshed kasi, where's your car? Show us your car. So the only not running Toyota in this place.
Nag-iipon pa tayo.
Yeah, so it's an
Both financially and mentally.
Ayun.
Nag-iipon pa tayo.
So it's an SW20 MR2. Look at those wheels. Ang cute, oh. Yan. So, Dusty boy. He's still saving up to start this project. Ano pa ba kulang? Money.
Baka nakin na to eh. Full editing job.
Yeah.
So it's like, wait.
Ayun. So, madami-dami. But yeah. MR2. Ano pa bang fun stuff dito? We have this EG hatch. Anong wagon yun? Accord wagon. That's an Accord? An accordion.
Accord wagon and the donor accord.
Donor Accord. And the Accord wagon. Oh, look. Oh my God. Look at the BBK. Look at that shiny boy. This is like the family.
Waiting for money.
Yan. And then, ayun, that's so cool. Teggy. The other Teggy. I like the bilog headlights. Yeah. The multiple eyes headlights. So, na-deposit na natin EK. Now, the problem is, how are we going to get full? Tadang! A different shimmick. So, ayan, let's walk to it. Let's check it out. Introducing our temporary car. So, this is a VTI na automatic and I don't know kung ano meron dito. So, we're all gonna find out. So, it's a little dark here. Labas muna siya from the warehouse to see it better tapos walk around natin. So, let's go. Okay, before anything else, mag-due diligence muna si Editor San. Uy, ang ganda. Fresh yung reservo. Yung reservo ko siraan eh. Oh, there's water. Kulant. Ganito pala pag kotse, no? Yeah. Goods.
Wala palang fluid yung kotse doon. So, double check na rin natin dito.
Okay, have oils. Mark Fluid. Ayan, may Mark Fluid pa. Okay, I think that's good. Seems Gucci. Wow. Ito na muna daily natin, guys. Kunyari ako na lang magdadrive, pero hindi ako magdadrive. Start natin. Oh my God, ang tagal ko na hindi naka-experience ng ignition. Oh, hindi siya kailangan i-chopstick. Ang sarap. So you work home from. It's a car.
Hindi centered yung ganun.
Hoy, iniwan tayo. Oh no, he left us. Don't leave us. Hala, tutuloy na siya. I guess lakarin na lang natin sa warehouse. Okay. Wala, he's gonna leave us. He left us. Okay, so we just got our stuff. Oh my God, guys. It's a sedan. May pinto para sa likod. I'm so happy. Fun fact, alam mo ba, never pa ako nagka-sedan. So, kung sedan yun, hindi akin yun. Hiniram lang natin yun. So, lipat-lipat lang ng gamit. I will actually check the glove box. Alam ko may mga stuff pa dito. Glove box. Oh my God, may Hot Wheels pa nga. May mga Hot Wheels pa. Bakit ang daming Hot Wheels dito? I think yung Hot Wheels na importante dito. Okay, let me just get my Hot Wheels. Alam mo, matagal ko hinahanap to. Dapat i-unboxing ko ito pang TikTok. Pero, ayan, andito pala. We can check it out later. Sabi ni Arshad, gawa daw ako walking POV. Pag nilagay ko siya sa bulsa ko, yan, may feet video. Dapat dilibre to eh. So we've thought about it. Parang wala kaming alam sa BTI. So pupunta na lang si Great Leader, tanungin na lang natin siya kung anong build to. Pero as far as I know, it's stock. But again, I don't know anything.
What is that?
What is stock? It is what it is, but what is it? So right now, maglilipat na lang kami ng gamit and then, transition to Great Leader. Sana ito ang kalabasan ni Ike natin. Bye, Slowy! Bye-bye, malo! Bye-bye, little boy! Pagpapalit na kita, let's go! See, sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako mag-drive. Wow, it's a car! It's a car! Why is it so unbelievable to us? Sobrang sanay tayo sa shitbox na having such a normal car, nice normal car, or where? Okay, car feels nice. It's a project car, but it's so much nicer than our project car.
It's not a project car. It's an okay daily.
Dilinisin mo na. Like ito, may mga may tint na remnants sa floor.
Ano siya?
May mga tint sa floor, guys.
Parang lumang daily siya. It's like, hey, it's a car. It's seen some things, pero it's has it in it.
So yeah, this is the goal. This is the goal for our own EK3. Long way to go, pero I believe. Ayan. It's a real car. Kamusta comfy? It's actually really comfy. We have ride height. It's like,
We were expecting work.
we were expecting so much worse, but it's a car. So wala si Al. Andito rin yung DC2. So let's just take a quick walk around. It's raining, but it's stuck, so it should be easy. So ayan, we got some stock wheels. I don't know what to say. It's stock. Kotseng-kotse siya actually. Stock wheels, stock tires, mostly stock everything. I haven't seen anything aftermarket on it. So if you like this video so far, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see with our EK3 build. And kung ano gusto nyo makita dito sa VTI. So yeah, I think that's it, no? So, see you on the next video. Anyway, sinaso to. Okay guys, the vlog continues. So inuwi na natin yung EK sedan, pero it's also a project car. Namatay siya. Okay, so nawalan tayo ng kuryente. Maybe our battery is loose, but yeah. Palit tayo kotse ulit. So we ended the episode na kanina, pero ayan, from Magic Car. Ano yun? Parang EK ko rin?
Hindi, it's something stupid there.
Oh, what?
Maluwag yung positive na terminal. Kaya pala.
Okay.
Hindi, masikip yung nut.
Okay.
Masikip na. So you have to jam it.
Alright, do we swap cars? Short time driving it, we have some job orders to complete the car and hindi pa tayo nakaka-uwi. We're bringing it back to the shop. Project Carter. Okay, we got it running in just under 5 minutes. It's a small thing, but we'll bring it back to the shop for the proper remedy.
Luluwag siya ulit eh.
Oo. So, yeah. Madaling...
We don't want to deal with this.
Ay, nako. Okay, we made it back to the shop. Wala tayong busina. Busina ka. Sabi ng EK. Okay, we're swapping cars again. Yan, depositing it sa shop. Tapos, ito yung kapalit. Ayan. So, EK pa rin, pero this time mag-SIR naman tayo. Okay guys, so we're bringing this home. So, instead of the EK, we're bringing another EK. Pero this is the SIR number 1. So, I hope this is the end of the episode na talaga. Nag-outro na ako, so okay na yun. Bye-bye. Thought we were going home with this one, pero ito ang forever. SIR, let's go!